Ayan. Topic ko this morning is about how to rev up your metabolism and increase your energy with proper nutrition. So this topic was shared to us by our very own Director of Worldwide Health Education and Training dito sa Herbalife. So we have that. Meron tayong mga nutritionists dito sa Herbalife that train us. So I know na talagang very excited kasi alam ko ano din siya ay ina-update tayo ng mga kailangan nating i-share sa ating mga customers. So yan, this is Michelle Ricker. Okay, next slide please. Yan, so eating a high protein diet instead of yung mga heavy diet, sabi nga niya, may enable your body to burn more calories per day, di ba? Pero boosting one's metabolism, that's very important. Yun yung mga goal natin na talagang i-boost natin yung metabolism natin. Kasi it impacts our weight, our appetite, and our body fat level. So it's very important na talagang ano natin yan, i-boost natin yung metabolism natin. Okay, so next please. Ayan, so understanding how your body process food and what foods you will need for optimum function. Yun yung kailangan natin kasi we have to understand also yung body process kasi minsan 'di ba yung mga kain lang tayo ng kain, hindi natin na intindihan na ito ba yung nakakatulong sa katawan ko or hindi. So how the body makes energy, that's very important na maintindihan din natin. Next please. Ayan, so of course, we need complex carbohydrates. So, hindi lang basta-basta carbs. It should be complex carbohydrates. Okay, kailangan natin yan. So, yan yung sample or list of foods. But it's so easy. We can search and tanungin, mga coaches natin can help share kung ano yung kailangan nating mga complex carbohydrates kasi mas malaking tulong yan. Of course, we need healthy fats. Yung example is, of course, yung avocado at saka yung fish, which is the fish, yung salmon. It's very good in healthy fats, the source of healthy fats. Next, please. And of course, we need protein. Yan, laging dinidiscuss yan dito. Kaya nga yung healthy breakfast natin is protein-based na breakfast natin. Yan, example is yung mga fish, yung mga meat na kinakain natin but it should be lean, and yung mga cheese, and sa ano naman, sa mga vegetable, plant-based naman na source, yung mga soy, at saka yung tempeh is from soya. Next, please. Yan. So, ito, we have to understand also the power of mitochondria. Bakit? Kailangan po natin talaga maintindihan din ito. Ito, I've been searching kasi ako kasi isa akong talagang I was diagnosed with yung papillary cancer na yung thyroid ko is wala na, total thyroidectomy ako. So sabi ko, ano kaya yung pwede kong gagawin na talagang gusto ko mas maintindihan ko na bakit yung yung energy level ko is bumababa. Ito pala, the power of mitochondria. Mitochondria function as yung energy factory pala natin. So it helps turn the energy we take from food. Imagine ha, from food into energy that our cells can use. So it's very important. Nag-start tayo, di ba? Like you fuel yan ang katawan natin. Na yung quality of food na kinakain natin, very important yun na talagang maganda yung quality ng kinakain natin. Next, please. Ayan, of course, yan. Exercise increases the number of mitochondria kasi it's improve our body's ability para yun ma-produce yung energy natin. So, kailangan natin na mag-exercise din, which is yan, kanina yan, part yan ng physical activity talaga natin, katawan natin. Kailangan yan ang katawan natin. Yan. Next, please. And yan. There's two excellent ways to supply energy dun sa mitochondria natin, which is yung L-carnitine and creatine. Ang source niyan is yung animal protein and the plant-based proteins, which is, nakita nyo sa example dito, yun yung mga sources niyan. So kailangan din natin kainin talaga yan, which is dahil sa busy life, minsan yung kung ano yung makikita natin na mga carbohydrates, kinakain na natin mga carbs-based na mga pagkain. Kaya 'di ba, sa healthy breakfast natin tinatanong, ini-explain kanina yung value talaga ng protein-based na pagkain. Kasi if yung kinakain natin is carbs-based, madali ka talagang magugutom. So, we have to remember this. Kailangan natin ng itong mga pagkain na din to kasi doon natin makukuha yung L-carnitine and creatine. Okay, next please. Ayan, so we have dito si Michelle share this energy boosting supplements. So very important na sa iyo. Supplements din natin, hindi din basta-basta yung quality ng mga supplements na kinakain natin or yung mga iniinom natin. Okay, she mentioned here yung vitamin B. So vitamin B12 kasi it plays an important role in energy production at it helps transform the food we eat into energy that cells can use. So it helps also yung form yung mga red blood cells that are necessary for function ng lung function natin and convert fats and protein to energy. Yun. So vitamin B12 then, this is called the thiamine, is used by the brain and nervous system. And B2, it counters oxidative stress. And also B3, it supports some basic brain functions din. So imagine nyo, kailangan talaga yan. Kumbaga, kung kulang kasi tayo niyan, yun yung mga time na yung parang, ano ba yan, parang ang gaan ng ulo mo, na parang hindi, yun, yung mga ganyan na feeling lang, pero kulang pala tayo ng vitamins. And vitamin B12, B5, it supports yung important neurotransmitter natin. So it's sa brain din, brain chemicals din. Para ma-supply siya daily, we have to take it really very seriously. Okay, next please. Yan, of course, kailangan natin ng mga energy-boosting foods with chlorophyll, magnesium, and B vitamins. So kung nakita nyo dito, mga examples lang ito ng mga greens. So cooked spinach, yung broccoli, the kale. Sabi nga ito, this is the king of greens and collard greens. Ito, if it's not very familiar sa inyo, eat greens na available na sa inyo din kasi talagang we need to eat talagang greens, diba? Elementary pa tayo, bata pa tayo, tinuturuan tayo. And we have to teach our kids na talagang kakain tayo nito. Next, please. Ayan, so outside of vitamins, di ba kanina B vitamins yon. Outside of B vitamins, kailangan natin ng CoQ10. Ito, when I was really searching, talagang dinagdag to sa akin na supplements. Sabi ko, hala, kailangan ko pala talagang uminom ng supplements ito. This is not available yet in the Philippines, pero meron din tayo nito sa US, kaya na-bless din ako kasi may sinusupplyan ko din, meron din nagsusupply sa akin. So sabi ko, kailangan ko talaga ito. It's called the CoQ10 na nasa heart health din siya ng ating products. So malaking tulong din siya for our healthy heart. So iron has a role in creating energy from nutrients. So it also contributes to the transmission of nerve impulses, the signals that coordinate the actions of different parts of our body. Diba? Feeling mo pag kulang ka ng iron, lagi kang nahihilo, ganyan. So we really have to supply that in our body also. Next, please. Ayan, of course, we are so happy kasi we have this healthy breakfast na talagang na-share sa atin yung healthy breakfast. And I'm so amazed sa mga results na kukuha ko din sa mga program ko. Right now, I'm working with the teachers sa school na talagang on the third day, on the fourth day, meron na talagang results din na they feel better, ganyan. Kasi the nutrition that we get from our healthy breakfast, talagang nakakatulong sa atin na i-improve yung health natin. So, with yung aloe tea and shake kanina, the value of yung healthy breakfast natin na share kanina, ang ganda-ganda po. So, it's very important that we take this seriously and we share this in our family. Next. And of course, we have yung mga, I put few of the food supplements na ano dito, but if you can take yung mga food supplements na available sa atin dito, malaking tulong din talaga. Like for example, the fiber and herbs. Kaya tayo kailangan ng supplements kasi nga yung na-mention ko kanina na mga dapat kakainin natin, kulang talaga. Like for example, the fiber and herbs. We're supposed to eat 5 to 7 servings of fruits and vegetables. Anong nangyayari? Minsan dahil on the go tayo, in a day, hindi na nga nakakakain ng fruits or vegetables. So that's why we have the fiber and herbs. And amazing talaga itong fiber and herbs. Even this amazing product natin is ano lang siya, mura lang. Tapos, di ba, yung kahit yan at shake, may mga results din na talagang lumalabas. So sabi ko, amazing talaga. We have the vitamins and minerals. Kaya siya Formula 2, dapat inumin natin siya pagkatapos ng Formula 1 natin. So, multivitamins is the Formula 2. And Formula 3 is the cell complex. So, kailangan din natin na idagdag yung mga ganyan. Kasi ang cell complex natin, di ba, ang ganda ng results, anti-aging pa yan. So, talagang take your healthy breakfast and add on yung mga supplements na kailangan natin. Next, please. Ayan. So, of course, yung mga snacks natin, ito din, we have to opt yung shake natin or gagawa ka out of your shake, which is yung mga protein balls natin. And ito yung isa din is the high protein iced coffee natin. Yan. So, kailangan na magiging wise tayo in our choices. Kasi sometimes we're spending too much money sa mga hindi naman importante na mga drinks na iniinom natin na meron naman tayong available na talagang nakakatulong sa atin. Yan. Next, please. Ayan. So, sabi nga, boosting your metabolism is possible when there is an understanding of how your body produces energy and how different foods affect your blood sugar. So I hope you learned something today. Rev up your metabolism through our products and of course a healthy food and lifestyle. Thank you so much, guys.
Ayan.